round 20. Okay, so everything interesting is starting here. One raising loop and a cluster of 3 front post double crochet with one top. Yep, and then we make 2 loops here, and we have to find second, third and fourth among the 5 of the previous round. In the first one we make 3 pieces of double crochet, 1 loop, 1 piece into the second, 1 loop, and 3 pieces into the fourth. Then 2 loops, and again a cluster which will form our rhomb finally. 2 loops, 2 front post double crochet, and between them there will be 2 loops. They go into the top, not into the top, around the double crochet from the previous round. Let's check how it's gonna look like. 1 raising loop, 1 front post double crochet, oops, 1 unfinished, second and the third, 1 top here, 2 loops, and 3 pieces into the second front post double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 1 loop, 1 into the third, into the next one, 1 loop, and 3 pieces into the fourth. Oops. Again, 1, 2, and 3. 2 loops. Let's make 1 more cluster. 1, 2, 2, and 3. 1 top. Here we make 2 loops, and around this we make 1 front post double crochet, 2 loops, and around the same front post double crochet, 2 loops. Let's make 1 more cluster together. 1, 2, and 3. 2 loops. This is how it's going to look like our element here, our round. The end is simple. 2 loops, the last 2 loops, and we make a slip stitch into the top of the cluster. It's gonna fold, but it's fine.